Okay. Hi, welcome back. I'm Martika, a plus size fashion and beauty enthusiast. I'm trying to get back to YouTube, so here you have it. I'm gonna do a quick haul from the Danessa Myricks Beauty brand, and that's it. I have no earrings, no jewelry. Listen, I barely got this set up, so y'all gonna get what y'all get. Well, my video is out here, and I hope you enjoy. So if you don't already know, Danessa Myricks came out with her product, the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. You can use the powder to prime, highlight, and contour, set foundation, sheer coverage, and also set and add coverage. It comes in 10 shades from Universal, which is a untinted color, to 10. I purchased mine in 3 different colors. I got the Universal tint number 8 and number 6. I think I'm gonna have to eventually just use number 8 because it has a little bit more, throws off a little bit more red, so it gives me more tint. And then this I may have to just use like maybe a highlighting color. And then the Universal is really good to just blur any pores that you may have. And it is what I'm wearing on my skin right now, and as you can see, it looks very natural, but it is buildable. I've had this on for legitimately 7 hours almost. No, 9 hours. So I've had this on for about 9 hours, and it's still blurring. It's still, I haven't really retouched. If anything, I'll just like dot, like with my fingertips, I'll reactivate it almost, and that's about it. That's all I've done. So the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder is 90% said the skin appeared matte over time, and 94% said they saw smoother skin and improved texture. It's a natural matte finish with 10 tinted shades, prime, cover, blur, set, and also 1 universal shade to prime, blur, and set. It's powered by Upsolite, which is a Swedish super ingredient that encapsulates and balances sebum and sweat throughout the day. It's a balm powder to form. Oh, what I love about this formula is that it's a balm to powder formula. So when you see it, it actually looks very dewy on top. But then when you put it on your face, eventually it does set to powder. It's excellent. It's good for all skin types, dermatologist tested, and non-comedogenic. I've been following Danessa Myricks for some time now. She is a professional makeup artist and a makeup educator, and honestly, I think that she's really used her platform to serve skin. She is a skin fanatic, and you can tell. And it's a great balance between skincare and makeup, and we're gonna see more and more of that type of makeup products come out in the upcoming years. You're really gonna start to see products focus on good nurturing ingredients for your skin. It's not about covering everything up anymore. Now it's about taking your natural beauty and enhancing it and making it supple and natural, truly natural looking. I also got her Yummy Skin Micro Velvet Sponge, and I decided to get it in this flesh tone color. I think she has another sponge that's coming out. I don't know that it's available yet. I tried to purchase it the other day. It has a flat tip. The sponge has a flat tip, round bottom, and it has her logo on it, DM for Danessa Myricks. I purchased the Yummy Skin Glow Serum as well. I just like to use this on a daily basis on my face. It just adds a oomph to my dry face. So this adds the luster back onto my face. How to use, apply to face, is called the Juicy Boost. The Juice Boost. And you can apply to face under makeup or wear it alone. And that's what I do. Wear it alone. What else did I get? I got these over this was her Black Friday sale. They're eye, lip, and cheek pigments. Some are nude and some are matte. So the great thing about this product is that you can use it as a multifunctional product. You can use it for your eyes, you can use it for your lip, and you can use it for your cheek. And it's long lasting. It really does snatch on and just like never comes off unless you just take it off at night, but it really does last forever. So I definitely recommend. They're not too expensive and you can use them all over your face. They're great for creating a monochromatic look, and if you go to my Instagram, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. When you purchase like X amount of dollars, you have an option to pick a free gift, and I decided to pick her mirrored palette. I didn't know quite what that meant, but it turns out it's a mirror and a mixing palette on the bottom, which I think is great because I've been using my mixing palette to just be like, you know, the inside part, like when you get a foundation, when you get an eyeshadow and it has like that plastic like right on top of the foundation, right on top of the eyeshadow. That's what I've been using as my mixing palette. So I appreciated an official mixing palette. The next thing I picked up was her Dewy Cheek and Lip palette. And the colors are Top Secret, Wallflower, Nude Nuditude, Hush Hush, Tease, XOXO, Sweet Cheeks, and Coquette. And again, this is a multifunctional product. It has, you can use it for your cheeks, and you can use it for your lips. And honestly, I think you can also use it for your lids. It doesn't say that you can, so use it as they say you can, but I used it as an eyeshadow today, but I'm just saying. And lastly, I got the Dew Water Wet Balm. This is a very creamy consistency, as you can see. It is very, very creamy, and it applies so smooth. I use this as my cheek and highlighter today. And it just adds a nice little glow to your face. So that's it. That's really all I wanted to come on here and say. I just wanted to talk up some Danessa Myricks. Y'all know Black History Month is coming, so I will be coming on to YouTube and telling you about my favorite Black owned skin products. I'm just saying. And that's it. If you have any recommendations, please send them my way to my DMs to @martikabeauty.com and let me know. I love to try new products. So I really did forget how it is that I outro my videos, but if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe, of course, and don't forget to keep it simple, sis. Like, it's that simple. I used to say, if you don't know who I am, shame on you. I've been here, but I don't say that anymore. And my out tag used to be de-stress and be blessed. That was my outro. My outro was de-stress and be blessed. I have a new outro, y'all. Keep it simple, sis. Just keep it simple, sis. That is what my channel is all about. I'll teach you how to do your makeup in 10 steps or less. It's really not that difficult, and I want to teach you. So follow me. All right, y'all. Bye.